Hello viewers, welcome to Khan Technical channel. I'm here with another new video. Today I'm going to unboxing Vision rice cooker. So stay tuned KTC channel. Do not skip the video. Let's unboxing. First we look a warranty card. Vision provides on-year service warranty. If you facing any problem with this rice cooker, Vision will provide on-year free service. That's good. Here is a boiling pot. You can boil eggs, potatoes and other vegetables also. And it is a glass lid and its build quality awesome. Keep it side. And here is its power cable. It's also nice build quality. There is a measurement cup. You can measure rice or water. Here is a mixing spoon. You can mix rice or curry also. Here is a user guide. You must read this book before using this rice cooker for safety. Here is a SS pot for curry cooking. Here is another pot for rice cooking. This pot made with full of aluminium. Here is a main item, Vision rice cooker. You can cook up to 3 liters with this rice cooker. Here is a power socket. Here is mention the model number and other information. It is automatic power controlling switch. Here is a switch and cooking indicator, warm indicator. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel. And if you have any query, please leave a comment on the comment section.